What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to go over an awesome new Keepa filter. I saw Chris Grant, he posted a YouTube video about it earlier, and I kind of wanted to show you some practical uses for it. Super exciting what exactly this is. I'm going to show you how to turn it on, how you could best use this, and yeah, let's just get into it. So basically, the new feature is it's going to give you historical data for estimated monthly sales. So what that means is, again, Keepa didn't really announce it on their page or anything like that. So it's kind of new, and we're just going to kind of do the best we can with the data. But as always, Keepa is an estimate. This is nothing set in stone or anything like that. But here we go. So if you wanted to turn this on, usually if you were looking at this product, this Stanley cup or whatever, this is what my Keepa chart would look like. I have like the buy box, the new price, new third party, and then down here you have the review count and the offer count. So what you have to do is you have to click this button here, include sub ranks, and you're going to get this new chart down here. So the yellow line you'll see here is the monthly. If you look at the green box down below, it's saying monthly sold is 10,000. So you see how this line goes up and down? So this is basically saying in September, estimated about 9,000 cups were sold. Looks like it cooled off a little bit. In November, kind of went to about 7,000. And then here we come in December, up to 10,000. So one way to use this is to kind of be able to estimate holiday demand. This is going to be great for, think about any Christmas toys, Christmas candy, Christmas gifts. Especially it looks like it goes back. So we'll have some historical data. But it's also going to be great for seasonal plays as well. And the nice part about this is too, it goes by variation. So this, from what I understand, is just for this variation. So typically when you have estimated sales on a tool like SellerAmp, you got to really divide that by the entire listing. But for this, you'll see if we pick maybe like we'll pick this color. We go down here, we'll see it sells a lot less. It looks like in January it sold 20,000. This one is saying it's estimated selling about 3,000 right now. So big difference from the black one. So this is another example that is kind of cool to see. So this is kind of a pool raft, or I don't know, maybe you go rafting with it, pool float, whatever you want to consider it. Really good rank here. You'll see here 3K BSR. SellerAmp saying about 3,000 will be sold. So the cool part here is if you were just looking over here, it's estimating it to sell about 200 a month, 300 a month, right? Nothing big. You'll see it's starting to pick up steam here. So it's going from 500 to 700 to 800. And I think that's because it's starting to get warmer. So if you go back to last year, you'll see how it's like flat here. It must only go back to around this date. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like they might only have back up to here. But as the software goes, as things age, we will have this. But you can see here, right, the rank goes way down. This is right around July. Makes sense. People are buying pool floats, people are buying rafts, all that kind of stuff. It looks like it picks up here. So typically you're just looking at this, the sales rank is low. But if you wanted to try to get a good gauge on how much more these products will sell, this will help you a lot. So you say here, it's saying it's going to sell, it sold 2,000 estimated. This is last August. So right here, it's not busy because it's cold out. People aren't going rafting in January or might not need a pool float. But as the warmer weather heats up, and so if you were trying to make a play on this raft, maybe you're like, well, it looks like around August last year, and I'm guessing if they had the historical data here, just based on the sales rank and how low it got, this would probably be closer to like 4 or 5 thousand potentially. Um, so you'll see here that maybe 2,000 will sell. It normally sells normally about 200. We'll see it's heating up a little bit here, but if we were really trying to time it and make the most of this opportunity, this data point would be helpful. And then one more I wanted to show you. This is a pair of Nike shorts, Icon shorts, probably one of the most popular Nike shorts there are. And this is kind of cool too, because you could kind of see the historical on this. So you'll see here, this is August. It has about 300 monthly sold. And remember, this is on this exact variation. So this is the extra large gray. So there's that. And so you'll kind of see as it gets cooler, it goes down to 200, right? Up to, where was this? In August, it's in 300, and then 400, and then it kind of drops down in the winter. And you'll see already it's starting to spike up kind of as it is getting warmer. I'm guessing that, these will go up even more. And you also see a pop here in Christmas up here compared to where it was down here, just because people are probably buying these as holiday gifts for their kids, or grandparents are buying them for kids, or people are just shopping in general. So I think this is going to be super helpful to kind of help you figure out. And again, you could turn all this other stuff off if you just wanted to use the yellow line and see that more clear. But I hope you found this video helpful, and please like and subscribe and let me know what you guys think in the comments. See you in the next video.